Hi everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your Windows 10 and 11 is not working properly and they're getting the lagging issue and you want to speed up. So you follow all the steps which I'm going to show you in this video to speed up your Windows. So the first step is that you disable your starter apps if you don't know where you can find them. So just simply press that shortcut key Ctrl Shift plus Escape to go to the start up tab. So just press your Control Shift plus Escape and you go to that section where you guys just have to just disable your apps you don't need. So just like that, I want to going to the app section, and here you just have to just wait. You just go to startup section, and here you're showing that apps which you don't want to use, like this, like that. I'm not using the Microsoft Edge, I'm not using the Microsoft Pilot, I don't use a Copilot, just like that apps just disable from that. So the other thing is just going to the process section and just end that task which you don't using right now. So when I'm just playing some games on my laptop in my PC, so I end that task. Just like that, I'm going to right click on that full crop and see the option of end task. So I'm gonna click on that and just end that task also. So after make sure that you just end that task, and also going to the section of background process. So just check that if any app which currently right now running on the background, just like that, I am not using WhatsApp but it's running on my background and they taking the too much to memory, just like that, 127.7 MB in my memory. So I'm gonna right click and just end task also. So after that, just doing that and also just remove that one. So just end that task which you're not using right now and just end it. So the step 2 is you just turn off your visual effects. So just going to the settings and just turn off that settings also. So the third step is clear temporary files. So just I'm gonna close that and just press the window plus R and just type temp. Hit that and just continue it and just delete all the files from that section and just delete it. So the other thing is just have to just right now I'm using Google Chrome, so that's why they don't delete it. So I'm going to skip that. So also type that one, just copy that, which is also available in the description, and you just have to just type that. So you can go to the game section and just type that and it's done it, and just write Control plus A. I'm gonna delete that, so it's gonna delete it. So the other thing is search disk cleanup. So make sure that you're just going to this cleanup section and just clean all your system files. So fourth step is set power mode to high performance. So I'm using right now the laptop, so I don't showing the high performance section. So just going to the control panel section, going to power option and select your high performance. I got a middle option, so and a balance option. So you make sure you just enable your high performance. Maybe you're using the PC, just enable that. So also disable your background apps, which I'm gonna tell that in the first section where you can disable your background apps. So make sure that settings. So after that, you restart your PC, and after that, the other thing I'm going to tell that in this video. So the other thing is that you're just going to the section of your PC and make sure that you have enough storage in your log PC. So when you're just facing issue after that settings, which I'm going to tell that they probably not going to solve. So make sure that you have enough storage in your that section. Log disk C. So I'm currently installed some apps and some any usables software, so that's why my storage is too much. So make sure that you have enough storage in that log disk C. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming like these videos.